Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Miles, and today we're going to be learning about pigs. Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the cutest pig of them all? We can see pigs like these in zoos, but not on your average farm. Each of these pigs have something about them that is different, that makes them unique from each other. Some are very hairy, some are hairless, and some even have tusks. So, what makes them so different? What makes them unique? How do we go from this to this? The answer does not come from a magic wand. It comes from something called traits. What are traits? Traits are qualities that can be measured or observed. These traits are inherited and passed down from parent to offspring. A mother and father, or a dam and a sire, contribute half of their genetics to the offspring. If a pork producer chooses the dam and sire, this is what we call selective breeding. Let's look at our example. On the right and the left, we have our sire and our dam. Both are obviously very different from each other. But if we look at our middle pig or our offspring, we can see that that pig has inherited both traits from both parents. Genes or genes. Although the same pronunciation is used, they are two completely different meanings. Earlier, we saw photos of different types of pigs. Each were different and unique. Genetics, which carry a code for all traits, allow diversification between species. Each species is broken down into breeds, and each breed is identified by different traits that each possess. Differences between swine breeds are great for pork production, and because each breed is different, they bring their own benefit to the table. Yorkshire pigs are known to be fast growers. They will have plenty of muscle and great feet, which we can call soundness. A Duroc pig has a low feed to weight conversion, also called lean gain, and they provide a high yield. Some breeds, such as Landrace, are known to have long and tall bodies, which in turn, for certain cuts of meat, can bring in more money. Landrace pigs also bring a reproductive benefit as they provide great maternal lines. Let's talk about housing. Pictured below is a great example of what a pig barn might look like. Each barn is equipped with a heating and cooling system, as well as ventilation and manure disposal. Sows and boars are usually kept in crates. These crates are designed for the safety of pigs as well as the workers that care for them. When a sow is about to give birth, they are placed in farrowing crates, which are designed to provide safety for piglets once they are born. The packing plant is where pigs are slaughtered, processed, and then prepared for transportation to local grocery stores. The four main cuts of pork include shoulder, loin, belly, and ham. After processing is complete, the meat cuts are then taken to your local grocery stores. Farmers have the task to feed the world, and they are paid by the quality and weight of each pig. So, it is then important that each producer raises healthy and desirable pigs. So how much pork do our Hoosiers produce? With over 4.1 million pigs in Indiana, Indiana pork production is ranked number 4 in the U.S., with Clinton County ranked in the top 5 counties in Indiana. For a dog-to-pig ratio, for every 1 dog, there's 4 pigs. Remember, all agriculture is related. Of course, we will begin with our farmers. These farmers will use their soil to plant and grow crops such as corn and soybeans. Once ready, the crops are then harvested and transported to a feed mill. Within the feed mill, these crops are used to make feed for our livestock. The manure that is produced from the livestock is then used as fertilizer for fields. The livestock is then slaughtered, processed, and brought to our local farmers markets and grocery stores. So, are pigs in your future? If you would like to work with pigs in the future, you could become a pork producer, a farrowing technician, a packing plant employee, an animal health salesman, and many more. One of the best things about the ag industry is that there are endless opportunities and career paths for you to follow while still working with animals. Education is so important because, of course, knowledge is power. We can learn more about pigs and agriculture through after-school groups such as FFA, 4-H, and other experiences. Even through volunteering, we can learn more about agriculture and, of course, pigs. To end this presentation, I want to remind you to always ask questions and never be afraid to try new things. I hope you all enjoyed this presentation and learned something new. Thank you.